I'm Dipti. I'm a counseling psychologist by profession. I've got about 15 years of experience in the industry, counseling people with basically we work with corporates. So we counsel on well-being issues, mental conditions, relationship, personal growth and development, all of those issues. And because we work with organizations, a lot of times I've been asked to, intervene or pitch in with regard to the prevention of sexual harassment cases with organizations. I have been working in the area in the posh field as well for 5 years now, and that was the reason I decided to take up this course when I came to know about it, because I have been in the industry, but this was an added advantage to have a certification. Primarily, I mean, what knowledge I had was basically, self-reading or learning on the job, so to say. So I had learned the law itself, the act itself. And because I come from a family with a legal, from a legal family, so to say, I did have a bit of understanding. But primarily, where this course helped me with was with an understanding of the law, the act itself. And because it's a new act, and there's a lot that happens by case laws and by precedents, that was the primary advantage of doing this course, because it helped a lot with in terms of understanding best practices, how lawyers are handling it, and based on other laws, other acts as well, not just this posh act also. That was my primary learning. The faculty is excellent. Isha is brilliant. I mean, I think she's quite young, but she's brilliant. She knows so much about it, and just learning from her has been wonderful. Yes, in fact, while during the course itself, there was one case which we discussed with Isha about witnesses. How do we bring in witnesses, and with regard to how they say in the act that the committee has the powers vested of a civil court, and what are the restrictions of those powers, and how much can you pressure? I mean, how can you get witnesses to come and testify, and how do you use witnesses, and all of that has been very helpful. And in fact, during the course itself, we had a case, and I was able to work on that thanks to Isha's advice again. I've been doing that in the past, and I've been doing it consistently over the months. So yes, I mean, the training part, we have been there, but primarily I think it was the handling of cases which was really helpful to get, like I said, to get the legal insight, and with Isha's experience and her understanding of the law, that was primarily the benefit for me in handling cases. I think my experience has been pretty good. Very helpful bunch of people, I must say, whether it was with regard to the content or with the tech aspects, very, very helpful. Isha, like I said, is brilliant. Really, I mean, I'm not over exaggerating. You can't over exaggerate. She's really good. I do have one constructive feedback though. In spite of how amazing the teachers are, I think the correction is done by people who don't have much experience, and that was, that's something that I felt, because rather than giving feedback on content, they were being very school teacherish, if I may say, picking on spellings and grammatical errors. And I mean, yeah, those are errors which are best avoided, but I would have liked to know more feedback about the content of it. In fact, just interestingly, out of taking two articles that I had written, I got 5 in one and 8 in one. And interestingly, the one that I got 5 in, I got better feedback about the content, about the points that I had included. And the one that I got 8, I actually got constructive feedback about the content. And, bottom line is my 5 points were deducted because of a lack of structure. So I think the examiners can do better. I mean, I completely understand that the content has to be specific, and it has to be structured in a manner. I get that, but I think more emphasis has to be given on the content, on the correctness of the topics, rather than grammatical issues and introduction and conclusion kind of stuff. That's my only constructive feedback. Other than that, it has been a very, very good experience.